Hey guys, welcome to Bincyness. On this Earth Day, I'm going to show you repotting this adenium grown from seed. This is adenium grown from seeds. It's around, I think, 4 to 5 months old, and I kept it in this the starting pot itself. I thought let the roots come out from this hole, so only then I'll repot it. Now the roots have started coming out from the drainage holes, so I'm going to repot it into this small yogurt tin. It's a 1 kg container, and I've taken 1/3 of red sand, 1/3 of cow dung, and 1/3 of old potting soil. So I have filled it more than half. Now I'm going to place this plant into the yogurt tin, and I'm going to add the rest of the soil. I've mixed it here. As you can see, the cortex is getting thicker and bigger, and also the roots. So at this point, if you want to train the roots, you can do that, but today I'm not going to do that. I'm just repotting it into a bigger pot. Repotting is done. Now I'm going to water it. This is a rice soup that I've collected yesterday and diluted with more water. I'll be just watering the plant today, and I'll not water until the soil turns completely dry. This much should be enough. I've watered it until the water comes out of the drainage hole. I'm going to keep it in a shady place for a week or so. Afterwards, I'll move it to full sun.